Hey folks, how are you? I have come up with some important tips to be how to practice speaking English. And these tips are going to be very practical tips. You can start after this video also. So these are very teeny and quite and simple, and it needs zero effort. When I say zero effort, please believe me, I mean it, because this is such tips that I am trying for quite some time, and this is tried and tested tips by me. I am a live example of it. So how you can practice speaking English with zero effort? So if I say if I say to you that speak English practice daily 30 or 40 minutes in a day, but with these tips you can do your work, you can do your task very easy. So first thing on my list is um, I'm sure you all of have social media account in Facebook or YouTube. So most of your time you spend on social media. So it is it is very quite surprising that you can also learn speaking English through using social media. You don't have to do anything. You just have eager to learn how to speak in English. So that's why you can do is whenever you come across a English content, you you may like some sentences, so you can repeat after that sentences whatever the sentences you like in the video or whatever content you are consuming. So always looking for some sentences that you can add in your conversation or add in your vocabulary. So this is the very simple and easy going tips that you can follow, and it it definitely needs no efforts, and you can learn it too. But what you have to do is you should be eager to learn English. So you can do it with scrolling in social media. So second tips you can do is keep a notebook, keep a separate notebook wherever you whenever you come up with this sentences which you feel attractive, you can write it in your uh, notebook. So I do this method a lot. I keep a notebook in the beginning of my English speaking journey. um, I I kept one notebook which I still have, and whenever I get time in the night or morning, I used to go through that sentences. In this way, my English vocabulary also get improved, and I am in my fluency, and I am in a journey to be fluent in English. So you can do it too. And the second things you can third things you can do is you can practice tongue twister. You may have come across a lot of words that you can't pronounce in a single single go. But what you have to do is you can practice tongue twister with for a few times. You will be able to pronounce it very well. So this is this is this is also a method I tried. Actually in this video, all the tricks I am giving you is all the tricks are tested by me. So that is why I I am sharing my experience also, so that you can excel in this language. So recently I have come across some sentences like you does what you always does. So I was having a problem of pronouncing it, so I tried for a few times, and recently I learned that on a scale of 0 to 10, where do you stand in when it comes to speaking English? Before I could not speak this, but I come across with such sentences in social media. So now it is easy for me whenever I have to say this on a scale to 10, 0 to 10, where do you stand? So I can use these sentences easily whenever whenever it requires to add. So in this way you will in this way you can practice, and you will also have that sense of fulfillment that you are going one step further every day. So this is the thing you can do, and after practicing like this you will have a lot of sense of fulfillment, and you will feel a lot of satisfaction. So make your make your journey very joyful, so that the result that means fluency, when when you will be when you will become in future, then you can tell everyone that I have I have done a lot of hard work, and this is the result of it. Actually, don't go and don't expect that you will be fluent in just 2 or 3 days. It is a time taking process. You have to accept it and go through a lot of struggles, and most of the time you have to do practice actually, and repeat that mode again and again. This is what makes you a very confident speaker. So so this is what I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, and if this video helped you even a bit, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.